Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Klaviyo flows for affiliate product recommendations, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the flows section on the left-hand menu. Locate the flow you want to restore for affiliate product recommendations. If it is archived, click on the Archive tab. Select the flow you wish to restore from the list. Click on the Actions drop-down menu in the top right corner. Choose the Unarchive option to restore the flow. Once restored, click on the flow to open it. Review the flow steps carefully to ensure they meet your requirements. Identify segments or triggers that need adjustments for affiliate products. Edit any emails or messages within the flow to incorporate affiliate links. Make sure your affiliate product recommendations are relevant to your audience. Test the flow to verify that all links and triggers function correctly. Utilize preview and test functionalities for each email step. Confirm that segmentation settings align with your target audience. Once everything is verified, click the Publish button to activate the flow. Make note of the performance metrics for future analysis. Adjust the flow as necessary based on results and audience feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.